I've had enough of stinking washing machines. I've got this bicarbonate universal cleaning powder. Apparently you can use this to wash the drum of your machine using vinegar and tea tree oil. 1 cup to the drum. 1 cup of vinegar. Don't know if this is up to a cup. Let's just call it half a cup. 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil. Put some here. I'll put some here as well. Intense Hygiene Plus and 90. Mix the maintenance spray. So it's 1 cup of water, 20 drops of lemon essential oil. Just wash all this, right? It actually smells really clean. 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate. Soak it for half an hour. Use an old toothbrush to scrub.